Hey guys, this is Judith and come with me today to make a homemade pasta sauce. For this recipe, I used red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, white onion, Roma tomato, garlic cloves, and fresh basil. For the seasoning, I added garlic salt, avocado oil, black pepper, and a bit of paprika. Then you're gonna roast your veggies and then you're gonna blend them with 2 cups of your pasta water. After that, you're gonna add it into a hot pan with a little bit of oil. You're gonna add your paste and then you're gonna add some chicken bouillon, some half and half, some Parmesan cheese, some parsley flakes, and a little bit of fresh basil. Lastly, you're gonna add your pasta and mix it very well, and you're gonna serve it with a little bit of more parm cheese and some parsley flakes. And don't worry, I will put all of the ingredients right below and the quantities. And thank you again for watching.